When WordPress first came out, it was an incredibly capable blogging tool. The problem is that people wanted it to be more. They wanted to do things that the original writers never thought of, or maybe shouldn't even be in a blogging platform. So they started putting new code into WordPress and changing the old code. The problem with that is every time there was a new version of WordPress, it would wipe out their code, or they had to somehow try to port it to the new version. So the original developers created a system for plugins. Plugins are pieces of code that sit alongside WordPress and can reach into WordPress and do things without actually changing the original source code. Let me show you what I mean. This is the WordPress plugin repository. There are over 60,000 free plugins. And here's one that prevents spam. Here's one that allows forums. Here's one that does AI stuff. Here's one to test jQuery. There are many, many options, obviously, over 60,000 of them. And these pieces of code get installed in WordPress and get their own updates. They're separate from WordPress. Now, these are all free, but there are paid versions that you get somewhere else. For example, here's a free plugin called Formidable Forms. It's very powerful. The free version does most things that most people need. However, you can pay for an advanced version that gets more features, because more features let you do more things. Now, when you buy this plugin, you download a zip file and click the Upload Plugin button and install it manually. Whereas these all can be installed right from the WordPress admin without needing to download the zip file. So to answer the question, what is a plugin? It is a bit of code in a separate file that gets installed alongside WordPress that lets you change how WordPress works. As always, be sure to leave questions and comments in the comment section below.